Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Ruda Lupias, 40 years old, and I am high school undergraduate. I am married. I have three children, two boys and one girl, ages 22, 20, and 10. I have four siblings, two boys and two girls, and I am the second child of the family. I have worked at Saudi Arabia for 5 years and served 7 members of the family. My duties are cleaning, cooking, wash, ironing clothes, and car wash. I want to work in Hong Kong to help my husband for our financial needs, and I want to see my children to finish their studies. Sir, ma'am, if you hire me as your domestic helper, I will do my duties and responsibilities. And I'm willing to learn anything to please you, ma'am, sir. Sir, ma'am, I am hardworking. Thank you for this opportunity.